Smells like coconut. Can I have it? So nice.
Happy Halloween.
Good morning. Come snuggle with me.
How am I gonna get down?
Marijuana.
Obama.
There is no God. This is breast milk.
From your mom.
Shh, I'm hiding. Boo.
Excuse me.
I put it. Tastes like bubblegum. Herpes!
Yay!
Tickle my belly.
Hello, Rachel?
I'm bored. Squirrel! Say you didn't sleep with him to my face. It's me, Rachel. I got some corn up there for later.
So close.
I'm so confused. I'm gonna have sex with you. It's my friends, I swear. Excuse me.
It's a girl.
Everybody watches porn. Right here on my face. Go ahead. I messed myself.